Say goodbye to the Nova Air C and hello to the Tab Mini C. This is a Boox e-paper tablet PC as they're labeling it, and it has Kaleido 3, the first official international release of any 7.8-inch Kaleido 3 unit. Has an octa-core processor, 64 gigs onboard storage, Android 11, and a whopping 5,000 milliamp battery. I like Boox's boxes. Boox's boxes. They look nice. They're kind of going this whole landscape route with these bigger models as well. And you know what? Let's look at something else first. The case, because they do give you a free case with purchase, and we don't usually show the cases, but I don't know. Let's just show it this time. Why not? So this case has a kind of black/light gray tinge to it. You'll see the difference between that and that. It should have a magnet snap. It does, with an embossed Boox logo, and it is a kind of medium pile leather on there, and if you open up the inside, it does snap with magnets, so it is not adhesive or anything like that, so you can expect very much the same thing from the Poke 5 carried over onto this one. Back to the unit, they have this kind of sandwich cookie construction now where they put the cream in the middle and the two cookies on the outside. Let us open this up. Wow, that came off really easy. I must say, a lot of these devices are like airtight packed. That one just came right off. And you do have a foam insert on the inside to protect the unit. Wow, that's already really colorful, and that's under this wax paper. Let's put this over there and see what kind of pen. What do you guys think? I have no idea. It could be the Pen 2 Pro, or it could be the Pen Plus. I do not know. I'm gonna say it's the Pen 2 Pro that comes in this box. Just because it's a Kaleido, it's a Tab Mini C, it is a Pen Plus. It is not a Pen 2 Pro, so you don't get the eraser at the back, but that's all well and good. Do you have the little... Oh yeah, there's no SD card on this one, I think. We have our USB cable and all our documentation inside. Put all that off to the side, and let's look at the unit. I believe they don't have an SD card on this, which was kind of a big complaint from a lot of people. It doesn't seem that there is one. Also, this is using very similar construction, although the backing does look a little bit different, and it has that kind of Fendi, LV, Gucci kind of repeating logo pattern on the back. It does feel a little beefier, and there's a lip here. There's a 0.5 millimeter lip around the entire device. I don't think I've ever felt that on an Onyx Boox device before. You have stereo speakers at the bottom, I would assume. Remember that the Page did not have stereo speakers, it had a single speaker. This one does have USB-C with a microphone, and it does have a power button. We're going to do a first time boot up just to show you guys what it all looks like after you turn it on. Here's some magic for you guys, watch. Oh, it's now magically a Pen 2 Pro. No, we swapped it out. I gotta say, I like this pen a little bit better. Feels better materials, is a little bit heavier in the hand, and I like the eraser at the back. Same tips, don't worry about that. Man, I gotta say, I really love how easy it is to set up an Onyx device. You don't have to go through pen calibrations or anything like that. You can skip over everything just to get into the unit. You will see that we're dealing with full color here. This is Kaleido 3, everyone. This is the first Kaleido 3 7.8-inch device that has released internationally. Sorry, Readmoo, but they beat you to the chase. We will be going over this in depth in a full review, and you can see right out of the gates Google Play is front and center, very prominently featured, because that is where you're going to be going to get all of your content. Again, stay tuned for the full review. We'll get into this, but for now, everybody, this is all the goodies, the bells and or whistles that you get inside the Onyx Boox Tab Mini C. This is the latest possible device from Onyx. Unfortunately, it's another incremental upgrade. We'll get into why and how and why companies like Onyx do this in the review. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.